Okay, so the next one is multiple linear regression. I already told, right? So multiple linear regression is also supervised machine learning algorithm, and it predicts also dependent variable. It's also predict a y. So the multiple linear regression means it has a two or more independent variable. Guys, this is the formula for multiple linear regression, guys. In previously you are seeing y equal to mx plus b, right? So that is the formula for simple linear regression. Okay, this is the formula y equal to mx plus b. Here additionally here added, so m is a slope, right? So slope and x, so different x has a different slope, so then only we giving m1 x1 m2 x2 continuously. Finally this is the epsilon, so it finds the how many error terms are present in our data set. It returns the error value. Just see, so y is a dependent variable and x is a independent variable. So if x is equal to the slope, okay, coefficients, okay, and we have a bias, and epsilon means actual value minus predicted value, so we call it as error term, or we call it as residual, or else we call it as noise. Okay, just apply the formula. Okay, just understand the problem statement, guys. I will share this csv file. So this is the data set. Just to see, this is the USA housing data set. The first one is average area of income, average area of houseage, average area of number of rooms and bedrooms, and area of population, price. Now tell me which one is x1, x2, x3, and which one is x, so which one is y, which one is independent, which one is dependent variable. Now tell me. So we call it as x1, x2, x3, x4, and this is the xy, sorry, x5, and this is the output.
Yeah.
Have you got it? Wait a minute, guys, wait a minute. So this is our problem statement. So first one is average area income and the house age and the area of number of rooms and number of bedrooms, and this is a populations. Okay, and the next one is price. Okay, so the next one is price. Okay, and the last is address. This is not needed. Okay, so you already know that why we are using this library. So numpy for mathematical calculations and pandas for data analysis and manipulations, and matplotlib and cbound is using for data visualizations. And here we are importing the warning signs. So if you are using filter warning, so it automatically ignores the warnings, okay, while running the code. Okay, so here this is the read csv, you already know. So this is using for reading the data sets USA housing. The head function is returns the first 5 rows, and the tail function returns the last 5 rows. Okay, do you have any doubts here, guys? Yes, head function and tail function.
No.
Okay, so now tell me, so what is the info function? What you people are understand here? Yes,
Randoms
Yeah,
provides the definition.
sorry.
it gives info about data type.
Okay, so all are float data types, so all are non-null character, and the total entries is 5,000, right? The index position is 0 to 4 to 8. Okay, so what you people understand in describe function, guys?
It takes numeric columns.
Yes,
And
only it's numeric columns. Now see here, there is no address. Yes, it automatically removes, so it only display the numerical column, so it only returns the, so include o is only returns the object column. Now checking the columns, now check all the columns, so all are perfect, right? So all are, so what's the data type for all column names? So this is the object. Okay, so now we are using USA housing, so we are checking is null functions to checking the sum functions. Okay, so sum functions means we are checking is null value. So if it is null value, it returns the count. Otherwise, it returns the 0. Okay. And the next one is pair plot. You directly just giving USA housing. So this is a pair plot for X and Y. Okay, so this is the area income and this is the area of income. So now see the both graph. So this is the histogram graph and this is the scatter plot graph. So depends on relationship between on two variables. Okay, so this is the pair plot, so it automatically returns all the graph. Okay, and the next one is distribution plot. Here only we are giving the price. So this is a univariant analysis. Okay, here we are simply getting a prices only, which one is highest and which one is lowest count, we are just checking. And this is the hist plot, you already know, right? Histogram. So here you are applying the price data, and KD2 means the smooth curve applying on the graph and the color. Do you have any doubts here, guys? X label and Y label. We already seen the matplotlib and Seabird. So then only I'm not explained detailing. Have you got the point? Is both of you?
Yes.
Okay. The next heat map function, the USA housing. So here we are removing the addresses. Okay, address column, we no need to applying heat map, so just remove the column and correlations between the two variables. So or not, you already know the or not true, right? So do you have any doubts? Guys, do you have any doubts?
No, sir. No.
Okay. And
No,
now we are applying the machine learning concepts. You know which one is x, which one is y. So we separated the x and y. So which one is inputs and which one is output. Okay, so now we are splitting train test to split, so at 20%. So guys, we have 5,000 records. If we are moving picking a 20 percentage from 5,000 records, so how many will left for testing? How many records will going for testing? 20 percentage means 1,000 records will going for testing, and the random status what? 101 here. Okay, now here simply applying our linear regression function, and we will check the intercept. Intercept means what? Bias value. Okay, bias value. So the bias is similar, guys. The bias is what? This is the
Yes.
intercept value, and the data frame, because we have n number of slope, right? So model coefficient, and we will give x columns. So x columns means what are the x columns here? Average area, income, house age, number of rooms, number of bedrooms, and area, population. Okay, and the another name is columns coefficient. So coefficient means what? Slope. It returns all the slope values. Do you have any doubts? Guys, do you have any doubts? Okay, then are you just checking X test? What are the data is going for testing? There are 1,000 rows are going for testing, and you predict the 1,000 rows also. Okay, just you are giving the predictions, and we will just given as a graph, guys. So this is the actual value, and y predict means predicted value. So this is a blue color points. Okay, so here we'll not using plot function, guys. We have, there is no we don't have any straight line. Okay, so then only we are using both are actual value. If both are actual value, we are finding a best straight line. Have you got the point, guys? We have different slope, right? We have different slope, right? M1, M2, M2, M3, right? Yes or no?
Yeah, right.
So this is a x1, so this is a m1, this
Um,
is a x2, and this is a m2, and this is a x3, and this is a m3, right? Hmm, have you got it? Yes, have you got it?
Yeah, this second line coefficient here, data frame, coefficient data frame here in this.
Yeah.
So what coding did you apply? What is
Sorry,
coding?
Alka. I didn't get your point.
After print, you
Hmm.
applied coefficient data frame, right?
Data frame, yes.
Yes. So it's taking PD data frame, then model coefficient has been taken. Which coefficient?
I'm just giving in table format, Alka. So if you are not given in table format, it returns as an array.
No, no. Then after in parentheses, you applied right model dot coefficient. So what does it mean? Why did you apply this?
Hey, this is a slope for, we no need to apply the formula. We're just using coefficient. If you're given model dot coefficient, it returns the slope values.
Okay, then what this column is equal to coefficient? Why you applied this
So
one?
X columns means it returns all the columns. Column, this is the column name. You can give anything,
Column name
coefficient
only.
or slope. Column
Okay.
name.
Yeah, got it.
Have you got it?
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Do you have any doubts here, guys, in this graph?
No.
Okay. Okay. And we are finding the distribution plot. So this is the actual minus predicted value. So it means 50 bins. So these are the error term. Okay, these are the error term. So then only we call it as residual distribution plot. Okay, this is the error term graph. Now we are checking the mean absolute error, mean squared error, and R square score. Now tell me, Alka. So we will have the, yeah, this is the error term, mean absolute error, mean squared error. What is the R square score value? So R square score is 92 percentage. Have you got my point?
Yeah, got it.
The model is less than better to 1. Okay, if it is 95, 96, or 99 or 100, so the model is accuracy is perfect score value. Okay, have you got it?
Yeah.
Hmm. And the actual value and predicted value, so the alpha is 0 0.5. You know, already know. Guys, the same
Linear
graph, guys,
regression.
actual and predicted, the same graph. Here I given a blue scatter point line, the same scatter pointed here. Okay. Guys, last thing. So we have to install the stats models. So in stats models, you just applying the 3 to 4 lines of code. It automatically returns all the details. So it returns the dependent variable is price. The model name is OLS. It returns the time. The observation record is 5000. The residuals is 44994. So now you are seeing the slope value. Coefficient means slope value. So it returns all the details. So what it does means, so in stats model, add constant means X. In X, what are the things you have? Average area, house income, house bed, number of bedrooms and number of rooms, and area populations are in X, right? So you people are changing as a constant and in for intercept term. So it means these are the things are slope. Sorry, bias. So we are finding the bias. Okay, so add constant term. So then only we are storing as a X. So in OLS model we are applying, so Y is the price and X is the bias term. Just fit, we are fitting, and after fitting just we summarize the mode. So it already written the all the things. Do you have any doubts in stats model, guys? We are only using the multiple linear regressions only. Do you have any doubts? And it returns the R squared value. So you people are seeing the 92 percentage, right? So this is 91 percentage are showing. Do you have any doubts, guys? Yes.
In the previous example of linear regression, you said
Guys,
MSE should return 0,
is
then only
so
you will feel.
what I'm saying now, just listen. So after completed X and Y, you no need to do the train test split, model selections and intercept and slope. You no need to do these things. You directly apply the code. It automatically returns the same thing. Okay, it is a built-in function. It's already trained for this code. Have you got the point? We no need to find the slope value in individual, so it automatically returns all the slope value, its coefficient. So it automatically finds the number of observations, okay, and it automatically finds the residuals, and it automatically finds the dependent variable, which one is dependent, which one is independent. Do you have any doubts, guys, here? Just summarizing, these are the things we'll here.
Can you please go up, person?
Where Gautam?
Here
Hmm,
itself.
hmm, hmm, hmm,
Regression evaluation metrics.
hmm.
In the previous example, you said if the MAE value is 0, then your prediction is correct.
Yeah,
But here we have got 81305 something,
this is the
which
error.
means our is wrong.
Error, yeah, we have this much of error.
Okay. Which
Yes,
means the model that we have
differences,
built is wrong one.
differences, Gautam. These are the differences for actual and predicted value.
Okay. How
This
the
is
machine knows the actual value?
how the
Because we
machine.
are giving the input.
Yeah,
The predicted one is we are predicting using the model. That
yeah,
is the difference.
because we are training the model, right? Before, yeah, here we are training the model, right?
Correct, correct.
Hmm.
So the MAE value, when the MAE value will become 0 after multiple trainings
Yes, yes,
or
yes.
multiple data.
Gautam, in mean absolute error, you definitely you want x test and y predict. So here you are predicting. This is the predicted value.
Correct.
Okay, you already have a x test, right? You already have a x test. So now you are predicted y predictor. So then only you are applying these functions here, y test and y predict.
Correct person. But
Hmm.
when will that MAE value will become 0 to make our
Okay, okay,
predicted
okay,
value
okay,
correct?
okay, okay. If your both accuracy and sorry, actual value and predictors are perfect, then only it returns as a zero.
Okay.
Hmm.
I understand that point. But
Hmm.
here we have got the error. Correct.
Is
It is not 0.
Gautam, you no need to see the error term. You just see the score. We can use anyone. We can use anyone.
Okay.
So mean absolute error means it shows the differences, and mean square means it square the this value, it square the this value.
Correct.
Okay,
Correct.
root mean means it's a square root value. So you
Hmm.
can see the r square score. It's a 92 percentage. Okay, not 100 percentage perfect. So it's approximately 92 percentage.
Okay.
Have you got it?
Yes, yes.
Hmm. Guys, I just scroll this one. That's all. So linear regression is finished. Hmm. Guys, and definitely you people are do the code and take notes. Okay, so coding is very important, guys. If you are doing the coding, then only you can got the coding practice. I think you people are understand, right? So what is linear regression, what is simple linear regression, what is multiple linear regression, and how they are splitting x and y, how they are training, how they are sending test size, and how to building models and how to check the evaluation metrics, right?